Hi there and welcome to this video where we're going to take a quick look at the new Maiden Desmodus web client. I'm logged into the game here. You can see this is the main text window where the text in the mud is outputted, and then around here we've got some interface elements which I'm just going to run through quickly. At the top left here you've got the map. This is the zone, the area that you're currently in, City of Tharn at the moment. And then we've got this room by room map. Your character's in the centre here, and each of these squares is a room on the mud, and with the exits shown between them, and the different colours represent different terrain types. You've also got this little button here which will toggle a graphical map if you prefer. There we go. We only have these for a few areas at the moment, but we're adding more and more. And if you move around, you can see the map will scroll with you. And it's the same for the room map. There we go, that's moved. Beneath the map you've got the name of the current room that you're in, and your current target as well. Below that we've got this icon which represents the time of day. It's got a mouse over which explains it. This icon for your citizenship, character citizenship, and this for the character's guild. This is a new character, so they're not in a guild yet. Then you've got the name of the character and their level and the percent to the next level. Here you've got some status icons. These are all green at the moment. These represent different statuses, you've got whether you're bleeding or not, whether your character's standing or sitting, whether you have balance, whether you can take a healing potion, an elixir potion, or a healing herb. And as you use these balances, these will change to red icons to signify that your character can't take a healing potion at that time. Below these you've got the stat bars, blood, mana and power. Power starts at 0 and will increase as you take damage in combat, and when it's full it will flash on here as well. Moving along here you've got the main command entry. You can type your commands in there. You also got this box here where you can set the default. So for example, speech, then everything we type will be a say. So if your character's having a long conversation, that might save you a few keystrokes, and the same with emote. Again, if you're doing a lot of emoting, that might be useful, but we'll set it back to command. Above that you've got these buttons, this button bar. You can mouse over each button, it will tell you what it does. Most of these first ones will send different commands to the mud. So for example, character information, lists our score information and our skills. We can look at the room, find, look at our quests and tasks. We haven't got any at the moment. And then along here you've got some other actions. This is if you want to search the help files. You can just type something in here and it brings up some help files. You've got the editor window. This is if you're entering a bulletin board post, some kind of multi-line text, you can use that to type it all out. Settings, these are your preferences. You can change your font here from choose among any of your system fonts. The game has sound effects and music, so you can change the volume here, turn it off if you don't like it. Your buttons are configurable, so you can change the label. This is the mouse over, and you can change the command. You can't change the icon, but you can change what the button actually does, so that's pretty customizable. So if you wanted to do a different attack type bash, you could do that. And say bash here, we don't know the skill, so that's not a lot of good. So if we bring this back, we can just restore the defaults. Go back to stab. There we go, fantastic. This button here is purchase karma. This will take you to our website where you can purchase karma, which is our premium currency. This button will open the client full screen. It will maximise it in your browser, and you can then obviously resize the browser to make it as large as you like, and this interface will be fixed and the main output window will stretch, so it'll make it as large as possible. Now within the mud output itself, we make quite a lot of use of these clickable links. You You see the mouse pointer changes. You can left or, and in most cases, right click. So if you left click, it will do default action, which in the case of a NPC is to target them. You can see the target is set, and our target is changed here. If we right click, we'll get a bunch of options on a menu we can choose from. Just click to make that go away if you like. We can greet them. I don't think they've got anything to say. No. Introduce ourselves. Again, I don't think they're impressed really. Attack them. Oh dear. You can see our balance icon's changed to red there. Let's do that again. It's changed to red. Let's do a wee bit of heal. You can see the potion there's changed to red. And I think we're going to get owned. Oh, just in time we escaped. So you can see the potion icon's red here, and we've lost quite a lot of blood. Oh no, they're following us. That's really unfortunate. Okay, so green, we can sip another potion. There we go. And let's run off. This isn't a very good demonstration, is it? Actually, you can see the map's moving as we run away. And yeah, you see a potion's still red here. So we're green again. Let's heal. Right, let's have him. I don't think you can get the sound effects on the video, but I'm paralysed, gutted. Oh dear. Come on. Oh, power's full. Power shield. Fantastic. We're bleeding. Oh, we're dead. There we go. You see the icon there's changed to unconscious. And yeah, that was combat. And yeah, I got owned pretty hard. Well, I think that that concludes the intro to the Maiden Desmodus web client. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoy using it. Thanks very much.